Okay, guys, this is the whole project for controlling up to 6 pumps in area 1. Okay, this project, let me show you the Seymour touchscreen. This is the screen that I created for controlling pumps, up to 6 pumps on area 1. The customer can choose from Sunday to Saturday. He can choose over here the hours that the pumps are going to be running, starting. This is pumps on. So when he double click here, he can put any hour he wants and any minute when those pumps, each one of them will be turned on. Okay. And over here on my red buttons, here the customer is going to put when the hour and the time that the pumps are going to be turned off. So the logic is created using a do more PLC from AutomationDirect. This logic will turn this pump on, and then it will wait a delay for turning on the other one, and then wait for the delay, the same amount of seconds, to wait until this pump is turned on, and then so on and so forth. So there is always a delay. This is to avoid too much inrush current running in the system. So in order to take care of the breakers and the entire electrical circuit, each pump will be turned on one at a time. So let's go ahead and see the code. Or over here, before I move on, let me show you the panel that we're using. For this one, I don't have a panel with me. So this entire logic was created using a simulator for the PLC part. For the HMI part, I do not have a simulator, but I created these tags so you know how to develop the HMI screen. This is the model that I use. Again, I do not have a panel with me, but this is the entire graphics is based on this model. Okay, so let's go ahead and click OK so I can show you the PLC code. Over here, we are already online with the simulator. The simulator is a do more simulator. It's in terminal mode and it's already running. So first of all, you have to make sure that the PLC time is the same as your PC time. So right here I got 656. Over here, this variable comes internally from the PLC. In order to get them to match or synchronize, you have to go over here to PLC and then select PLC, set PLC clock. Once you do that, you click this button, and then over here, you go ahead and click this, push this button. This will turn on the comparison and make sure and sets the PLC time with your PC time, and they will match. So having done that, we're going to go ahead and test the code. For this application, I created 4 subroutines. I went ahead and created one. This is the HMI. Let's talk about this one. This is where I got all my tags coming from the HMI. On this subroutine, this is what I do. I go ahead and compare the day of the week. This is an internal tag from the PLC coming from this variable, now variable, and compare today's date with the PLC. So if it's Monday, it's going to run all this sequence. Okay. Today I'm recording this video and it is Sunday. So let's go to the bottom and find where Sunday is. So it should be turned on already because I'm online with the PLC. So this is it, Sunday. Okay, it matches. So Today is Sunday, so the first thing I do is move from the HMI, these tags on the HMI, all of them. I'm going to show you later on how to put them on. This is the first thing on Sunday morning that the PLC does. It matches the tags coming from the HMI and comparing that to my UDT 0 hour. This is also an internal tag that I created to do this comparison, which I'm going to show you later. So this is what I do. I move. Let me double click over here again. You see this area 1 Sunday on. Also, you can see it right over here because I put it here so you can see it. I already put Sunday on and Sunday minutes on. Below, the other two below are for the time that the pump will be turned off. Okay, and over here, these are my 6 pumps that I'm running, and we're going to test that later. But first, let me show you how to get the tags from this PLC to the HMI. So the tags over here, when you highlight it and then copy, that's the tags you're going to put on this variable here. So I already put one of them. It says area 1 dot Sunday hour on. Below, I have the same one. I mean, right next to it, I have the next one, but this is for the minute. So we're going to go ahead and do that one because I haven't done that one yet. So let me go ahead and copy area 1 Sunday and double click these tags, paste it over there, and then create these tags as device 001 on sign 16, and over here on side integer 16. I'm going to go ahead and paste it and then add it to my project and click OK. That's all I need to do for each one of them. Bring the tag from this tag already that I created, copy and paste over here, and then do the same for the time off. Okay, this was for the time on. So we're going to go over here and do the same. I'm going to go ahead and copy, double click this button, and then paste it over there. Press the enter key, so it takes you to another window. On here, this is where you create your tag. So paste it over there, add it, click OK, and do the same thing for the minute. All right, double click here and paste it. That's all. Paste it again. You have to paste it twice. You paste it here first, and then you paste it over there later. So click OK. Remember to do the same thing for all of them so they match. Your tags on the HMI matches your tags on the PLC. All right. So let's go ahead and move on to the next subroutine. As you can see, am I online? Yeah, let me go online. Yeah, I'm online. You see these two highlighted, they are this blue color. That means that these subroutines are running right now. If you go to my main task, you see I have my run pump area 1 and run this one. All my subroutines are running, all 4 of them. But these two, they're not running because they only run when the hour and the day matches what the customer is requesting. Okay, so let's move on one by one. So today's Sunday. I already moved my my hours to my tags over here for pump on and pump off. So next thing I do, I just come over here on my scheduler. My scheduler is the one that compares. This is where all the things happen. Right now the pumps are turned off. You see pump 1, 2, 3, 4, they're off. So because I don't have the time, it's right now it's 7. So let's go ahead and just put 7 over here and then click on write current edit. And then it's 3. So this pump I'm going to turn on 7.4. And they're going to turn off on 7 a.m. Minute 4. So look over here, and it's 45 seconds, okay? So when it gets to 4 minutes, matching what I want, this pump is going to turn on, and then it will wait 3 seconds, turn on the other one, waits 3 seconds, and turn off the other one, okay? So let's go ahead and do that one. 3 seconds later, this one turns on. 3 seconds later, this one turns on. 3 seconds later, this one turns on. And so on and so forth. There you go. All right, that's what happened. This routine area over here ran just once. It ran pump area 1. If you go to my subroutine pump area 1, this is my sequencer. Oops, I have a mistake here. This is a sequencer. So this is the sequencer that I use for turning the pumps on and off. This is the stage programming. The first thing it does when the time matches, it turns on the pump number 1, then transition to my step number 2, my step 1, I'm sorry, and then a timer start timing. This timer, instead of putting a constant, I put a variable. This variable area 1 pump delay is the one I have right here. So let me click over here. This is the one I have right here. So pump delay is 3 seconds. So this is the pump delay that I use to turn one pump, then the second pump, then over here the third pump, then the 4, then the 5, and then the 6. So the last one is pump number 6. So this is my last stage. I exit the subroutine, and then this doesn't run again until the pumps turn on the next time. So let's turn it off. Let's see what happened. It already turned off, you see, because I told them to turn off at 5 seconds. So this is the scheduler, very simple. And then we got my pump off. It is pretty much the same thing. This one turn on the pumps, and this one turn off the pumps. Okay. So the code is right below this video information. You can get the code that I wrote for this PLC, and you can extend it to create another area. How would you do that? Well, to create another area, I already created all the tags for that area. So this is area number 1. So what you do, just copy this. Let's just go ahead and copy it and put it over here so you see it. When I paste it, I only have to change this number over here to area number 2. And you see, the tags are already created. Area number 2, pump on. Area number 2, pump off. And if I click showing you the minutes off and minutes off, see? That's it for every single day, Monday to Sunday to Saturday. All right. So that's the tags I already created for 3. I think for 3 areas. Let me see. I created the tags for. Let me see if I go to 4. No. You see, you get the question mark. It means that those tags are not created. So let's go to number 3. Yep, number 3 is created. So I already created tags for 3 up to 18 pumps. So what you do is you go ahead over here if you want to create another area. So you right click on your HMI, then copy screen, then paste the screen, change the name of the screen, and you're gonna go ahead and rename it to area. Whoops, this is screen 2. Area. You're gonna write area. That will be areas 2. You will rename it like that, and then you will double click on this tag, on this text, and then change it to area number 2, and then do the same thing we did over there, do it over here. But this time we are going to copy the tags belonging to area. Oh, I'm sorry, area that would be area number 1. This is the delay. I picked the wrong tag. So let me get this one over here so you know what you're gonna do. Okay. So let's just write it over here and change this number to 2. So that tag is the one. These tags are the one going right over here. Okay, instead of having 1, you're going to go ahead and paste the other one, which is 2. And then create it, paste it over here, click add, and do the same thing for each one of them, for the hour and for the minute, for your section for pump on, and then move on to the next section for pumps off. All right, that's all you have to do. Now, the project, this one over here, you have to just do the same thing again. You copy this, you copy the code block, right? And then you paste it on your main. You have to paste it and you have to click on main. And then over here, you go ahead and paste code block. That's what you do. Every area you want to create with an additional 6 pumps, you just copy this and create that area. That's it. Okay. You do the same thing for your HMI. Below over here, you're gonna add your another four of these instructions that looks at the area number 2. Okay. You don't have to copy the HMI. You just extend over here. You just to add another instruction. You press the control key on your PC, on your laptop, and then the down arrow, and then you click the over here, you copy, and then you paste it. And then change this to area number 2. Okay? That's it. That's all you have to do. Let me delete it because I don't want it. On my scheduler, you do the same thing. You actually, the scheduler does not need to, let me see if it changes. Pump on, oh yeah, area 1 definitely will. For this one, also it changes. So you do the same thing. You extend a branch, you copy this one for on time and pump off time and paste it on here. That's all. It's just basically every additional area will be copy and paste. Okay. All right, let's run it again one more time and then we're done. All right. So over here, all my pumps are turned off. My subroutine is not running anymore. You see, it's not running. The reason I know it's not running is because if I go to project browser, you see they're turned off. They're not highlighted. If they're not highlighted, that means they are not running. So let's go ahead and get them running. So look at the this timer over here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my pump. Right now the hour is 7:12, right? Okay, 7:12. Let's turn on my pumps at 7:13. Okay, so this was going to be 7:13. They're going to be turned on. Right now, you see they're off, and we're going to turn that off at 7:14. So let me send that to the PLC, and then let's wait until the seconds reaches 59. Then my minute will increase to 13, matching this hour and minute over here, and then my pump will turn on. This subroutine will start running, and my delays, my timers will also start running. Okay, 57, 58, 59, boom, the first one turn on. 3 seconds later, you see highlighting over here. 3 seconds later, the next one turns on, and then this one, and then over here this one, and then the last one 3 seconds later. Boom. Okay, all of them turned on, and each one at a time with a 3 seconds delay, and then at 7:14 they have to turn off. Remember, the time the PLC only understand enter time in 24-hour format. Okay, when you put your time here, make sure it is based on 0. You see I put a range here. You have to enter the time based on the military format, which is the 24, they call it 24-hour format. Okay, from my let's see the pumps. Oh, pumps, you turn off, the other one turn off, the other one turn off. 3 seconds later, the other one turns off. Then the pump 5, and then pump 6. You see, at 7:13 I turned it on, but at 7:14 all of them turned off because this is my current time on my PLC, on my computer, 7:14. So meaning over here, so the hours is in 24-hour format, and my minutes also you have to put it up from 0. Well, I didn't change that one. You have to change that. Make sure you change this range from 0 to 59. Okay, so this forces the operator, when they are putting the hour on the HMI, they forces the operator to enter minutes from 0 to 59 and hours from 0 to 23. If they put anything else, the HMI will reject it. Okay. All right. This is it. I'm going to on the video below on the description. I'm going to put a link for my Google Drive so you can download this code. And if you have any question, go ahead and post it on this channel. And we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.